Welcome to the Attendance Sheet and Payroll Support Portal. This system is designed to manage attendance, working hours, field missions, and payroll support in a flexible and secure way. The purpose of this system is to ensure that every worker completes 8 working hours per day, regardless of the exact time they arrive at the office. Workers are not forced to arrive at one rigid hour. They may come at 7, 8, or 9 o'clock, but they must register their check-in and check-out correctly. By recording their own check-in and check-out, workers can monitor themselves and make sure they complete their required 8 hours. Managers do not need to spend time every day checking who arrived at what time. The system is designed to handle that automatically. When a worker checks in, the check-in time is recorded automatically. It cannot be changed manually. The system works with Ethiopian real time. Even if the computer clock is changed, the attendance record itself follows Ethiopian time. Attendance can only be recorded from an approved office computer. Staff cannot check in or check out from home or from an unauthorized device. The computer must be approved by the CEO or administrator. This makes the system secure and practical for office use. The administrator has full control in the system. Staff can be added, records can be corrected, and user management can be handled centrally. If an attendance record needs correction, the administrator can correct it. This keeps the system both practical and flexible. The system also supports fieldwork and official missions. A worker can submit a mission form online when they are going to the field. Once approved by the CEO, those days are not counted as absence. They are counted as valid working days. The system can also calculate per diem based on the time spent in the field. This makes the portal much better than the old punch card or swiping card system. Each month, workers can view and print their attendance sheet and see the total hours they worked. These attendance records support payroll calculation, making salary adjustments clear and transparent. At the end of the month, the CEO can confirm payroll, hourly summaries, and per diem, then close the month officially. Once the month is closed, no more data can be added or changed for that month. The next month starts with a new record. For example, if a worker has an appointment in the afternoon, they can simply come earlier, complete their 8 hours, and check out earlier. This is the philosophy behind the system. Freedom with responsibility. Workers manage their time, while the system ensures fairness and accountability. In summary, This system provides flexibility, security, field mission support, transparent payroll records, and strong administrative control. Thank you for watching. This is the idea behind the attendance sheet and payroll support portal. This is Mesfin, Hagos, Tewolde. To view this online payroll portal system, please visit Aqua-Nile.com or scan the QR code to access it directly.